In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The World Food Programme reassures the continuation and expansion of nutritional assistance to Afghanistan. The transfer of Afghan laborers to Qatar at the center of talks between officials of the two countries. And the Canadian Prime Minister's protest against Trump's proposal to annex Greenland to the United States. Welcome to today's news package. It's Wednesday, the 17th of Rajab al-Rajab 1447, the 17th of Jadid 1404, and the 7th of January 2026. The news details. During a meeting, Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, and John Iliff, the Regional Director of the World Food Programme WFP, discussed the development and strengthening of public nutrition services, the ongoing WFP activities, and assistance improving the effectiveness of nutrition program and the future cooperation mechanism, and other related issues. Based on the Minister of Public Health, the minister during the meeting emphasized the expansion of public nutrition services is one of the country's most requirements. He stressed that assistance in this sector must be well organized, sustainable, and aligned with the real needs of the population. Meanwhile, John Iliff expressed reassurance over the continuation and expansion of the World Food Programme's nutritional support. Mr. Iliff added that WFP has planned to extend assistance and cooperation to earthquake-affected communities in Kunar province, as well as the migrant returnees. Mohammad Sohail Shaheen, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Doha, met with Engineer Abdul Hadi Bakhit Barghan, the director of Al Jasur company affiliated with Qatar's Minister of Labor. The Afghan embassy in Qatar stated that the two sides discussed implementation of agreement between Afghanistan's Minister of Labor and Social Affairs and Al Jasur company regarding the transfer of Afghan workers to Qatar, as well as the requirement process of the qualified individuals. The news continuation. The Minister of Information and Culture reports that a delegation of Chinese researchers and scholars visited exhibitions and historical and cultural artifacts at National Museum of Afghanistan. The ministry added a delegation traveled to Kabul with the aim of strengthening cooperation and expanding scientific and research relations between Afghanistan's intellectual and research institution and those of China. And ultimately, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney, responding to a threat by the US President Donald Trump regarding the annexation of Greenland to the United States, stated that only Denmark and Greenland have the authority to decide the future of the Arctic island. In accordance with Reuters' report, Carney told the reporters in Paris that the future of Greenland is a decision that can be only made by the people of Greenland and Denmark. Earlier, the leaders of the several major European powers issued a joint statement expressing support for Greenland, affirming that the island belongs to its people. These reactions come after Donald Trump once again expressed his interest in taking control of the Danish territory. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.